Well, alrighty guys, it is Friday. Whoop, whoop. It is Friday. Looks like old Blaine and Dad's here at the shop already. And it's time to finish up a few things. Got a customer coming tomorrow. Pick up a rear end we've been working on. We don't have to ship it out, so that's cool. And we're gonna see what all the guys are into here, so let's get to it. Alrighty guys, we're gonna jump right on into this here and drill our hole out for our filler neck. But first we also have to take the rear end apart as well. Get the jig bar out of it, get the jig fixture third member out of it. That's what I'm pulling out right there. You're trying to get this thing out. There we go, we got her out now. And now it's time to actually weld in the filler neck. This is a really cool step right here. When you're finally right here, man, you know you're finishing up on a rear end housing. There's a lot of hours into these, and check this thing out, man. Very, very happy with it. I think the customer is going to be very, very happy as well. This thing is looking so good. Yeah, here you go. Now you can kind of see putting the filler cap on there. So yeah, guys, rocking and a rolling. Alrighty, guys, man, this is exciting right here. We just got this rear end done. It is ready for the customer to come and get it. I'm very, very happy with the way this thing turned out. Lots of hours, lots of fab time, lots of welding in this one. And I think it turned out really, really good. So I'm gonna kind of go over this thing real quick so you guys can kind of see it. And then, yeah, let's check this thing out. Alright guys, so let's talk about this housing for a second. This is a 4-link, 9.5 inch Fab 9 rear end. Okay, this is our KMS housings. All right, we make all this stuff in-house. All right, make the brackets, we make the actual housing covers, all the little tabs and stuff on it. We make all that. All right, so it's a pretty cool deal. This is the mounts for the wishbone. Okay, this is the filler neck. All right, so this is where you go to put in your rear end grease, all right, or your rear end oil, just whatever you want to call it there. This thing's also got a drain plug in it. Okay, this thing is set up for a 9-inch or for a 9.5 inch ring gear. Okay, we do offer a bigger version for some of you guys that runs a really, really big ring gear, but those are special order deals there, so you'll have to call or send me an email on those. But yeah guys, there you guys go. You guys can kind of see this thing here. Very, very excited for the customer. I think he's going to be very, very pleased with this thing, and I know we are as well. Well, alrighty guys, as you guys can tell, we got that rear end done there, and I'm very, very happy about that. It's time to transition into the GTO tonight and get an episode going on there for y'all on that. I'll go over that here in just a second, what all you guys can kind of see that's kind of coming down the pipe here. Hopefully next week sometime I'll post up a video on the GTO, so we can get some stuff done on that this weekend. But this rear end project turned out really good. We got a lot of work done this week. Even our inner and outer C's, they all are welded up. I'll show that to you here in just in a sec. I'll probably just throw up a little clip here up in the video so you guys can see that. Those should ship out come Monday. We've been busy. We've been really busy. But every day this week, Monday through Friday, we were able to get a video up. This is the first time I've ever done that. Every single day an episode goes up. It was a huge, huge learning curve for me. They were very short videos. I wanted to see how you guys reacted to it. I wanted to see if it helped the channel out any. I did notice that we did get more subscribers this week than what we have had gotten in previous weeks for a while now. Every day we had several subscribers. I think that is just because of there's a video being posted daily, and it just kind of keeps videos getting out there type deal. So I don't think we can sustain this of constantly doing videos daily. I think some weeks I can do it when I know I'm gonna have the time to do it, but learned a lot from this. I really, really did. I learned a lot from it. I definitely want to hear your guys' opinion on it as well. If you liked it, if you didn't like it, if you felt like there was ways that we could do better with it. Again, the whole reason behind trying this was, one, just showing you guys what all I do on a daily. And also number 2 is to get more videos and more content out there, and put content out there in a simple way that doesn't take me a huge amount of time editing. You know, doing like a how-to video from like step from A to Z. Those videos take a lot of time and a lot of editing behind the scene, and take, you know, sometimes days and days just so you can even get the episode together. But that being said, again, I want to get your guys' opinion on it, what you guys thought about these daily vlogs. I definitely think we can do this sometimes. Some weeks, if I know in advance, you know, how the week is going to be going, I don't have a bunch of craziness up front that I know of, then I can do some daily vlogs, get several videos out there to help bring in more subscribers, that sort of thing. So that's what's going on there. Enough of this talking. I'm going to show you guys some stuff on the GTO, what you guys are going to see in the next episode on that thing. So let's go check it out. Alright, let's walk on over here, and we will take the cover off of it right here on the motor here. Alright, so got the blanket off of it there. What we're going to be working on in the episode to come, so you guys can kind of get excited about it here. It's time to we need to finish welding up the mounts on for our oil tank and for our sump tank over there. Finish welding there, and then start running some AN lines. Okay, so we need to finish running our fittings and all that stuff, and finish running our fittings for our fuel system as well. Once those fittings are done, we can start probably hooking up some switches and start doing some things of that nature there on the wiring there. So we're about to be moving right along here. So it's going to be really exciting. You guys stay tuned for that episode there. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. That is a huge, huge help to us. We're still seeing, you know, like this 50 and 60% of people who watches our videos are not even subscribed to the channel. So being subscribed is extremely important for the growth of our channel. Okay, guys, that's one thing that y'all can do that really helps us out here. Another thing that you can do to help us out, you can buy a t-shirt. We've got brand new Freedom shirts for the GTO. Those shirts help us out a ton. We also sell a lot of high performance parts on our website, KilledMotorsports.com. You guys definitely want to check that out as well. But that's it for me for this episode. You guys have a good one. It's Friday. It's time to work on our hot rods and have a good time. See y'all later.